The exterior and interior of this sleek and contemporary tiny home on wheels are designed in the Japanese style. This little house has a very basic small interior with very little furniture, with a king-size bed in the corner and a large glass window on either side. The living room is primarily a public area. On the right side of the entrance door are bathroom and toilet, and above of the bathroom is a loft bed. Overall, this small home's Japanese open concept design makes it simple to change and reorganize its inside in the future.